To me, as a police officer, it means it's not practical to stop every vehicle that's out on the road, but hopefully the message gets across to other people that may go out that it's an extreme situation and they shouldn't be on the road. The issue of getting an ambulance, fire truck, any emergency vehicle through is the main issue. You got to make sure that if somebody needs help, you can get to them. You have a clear road and a road that has not been plowed yet, and they think somebody else is special, but they have assigned routes that they travel. Try to get to everybody eventually.